Okay, we're starting on Chapter 11 here. I'm on page 709, and I've just opened the spinning around data, and we're going to save it as, and I'm going to change this to analysis, and I'm going to put my name on it too, and save it. Yes. Okay, now I'm on the top of page 711. On number 1, we want to go to cell A4. And then we're going to right click. We're going to insert a comment. And it's already got my name in there. You may have a different name that comes up when you do it. And just type in the text. And let's try to spell that right. Okay, and you just have to click someplace else, and the little red mark on the corner there indicates that there's a comment in that cell. And we're going to go to cell A7, and we're going to right click and we're going to insert a comment in here. And click outside the box again, go to A10, and we're going to put a comment in here, right click and choose insert comment, and then type in the comment, and click outside again. We've got 3 comments over here, and they show up when you click on the cells, and you can tell that they're there because of the little red tab in the corner. And then we're going to save it. And now I'm at the bottom of page 713. Going to go to the review ribbon up here, which has some of our commands for comments, and click the show all comments button, and all of the comments will appear. Now we're on page 714. Click cell A4, and we're going to right click, and we're going to edit the comment. Notice we could have also gone up here to do the same thing, and we're going to change it to note to self, supply units sold, and average unit sales figures for 2011, comma, mountain bikes. And it says click at A14 to finish the editing, and I'm not sure if it told us to hide the comments here. Yeah, it does on page 715, so turn that off, and now they're not visible anymore. Okay, let's go to the top of page 716. Let's go to A4 again. Our comment is visible, and click the edit comment button. That's the other way to do it. And we want to select the text here, and right click and choose format the comment, and we want it to be red, and we want it to be bold, and click on OK, and click off of it. Now let's go back and click on it, and now it's in red and bold. Now, one thing that looks a little bit different on mine is, from what's in the book, mine doesn't show all the comment here. It's cut off. And so what we need to do is we need to go here and edit the comment again, and we see these handles that you see around anything that you can resize in Windows. And I'm just going to go to the corner here and make it a little bit bigger. I guess it didn't go quite that far. So There we go. Now you can see the whole comment, and anytime I go click on it or pause the mouse over like this, I can see the entire comment. Okay, now we're going over to page 718, and we're talking about sharing and collaborating on a workbook. Now, the stuff on sharing here is difficult to do, especially on a homework assignment if you're working by yourself and you're not on a network. So we're going to skip most of this. Actually, if what you want to do is share a notebook with somebody, or not a notebook, but a workbook with somebody. If it's Excel, the thing to do is probably put it up on SkyDrive. SkyDrive is a free internet storage space that Microsoft makes available. You can get 7 gigabytes for free, and you can have both private and shared areas in that 7 gigabytes. And it also allows you to use a stripped down online version of Excel, so you can do a lot of basic stuff with Excel and also Word and PowerPoint, and it's free. The stripped down versions are free. They're just basically online versions. There's nothing to download, and the storage space is free, and you just designate a file or a folder as public, or you designate who you want to share it with, and that's a good way to share. Another way to share, but it won't be with Excel spreadsheets, is using Google Docs. Google Docs is also free, and it has a spreadsheet built in. It's also an online spreadsheet. There's nothing to install on your own computer, and that's a great way to share documents as well. If we wanted to do this, what we would be doing here is clicking on sharing the workbook, and there's an option here to allow changes by more than one user at the same time, and you could click on that and then click on OK, and we're just going to cancel that because we can't really do this next part. And so this is probably a good place to stop this video.